hard to live, just sit and putter. Life's candy and the sun's a ball of butter. Don't bring around a cloud to rain on my parade.
Starting off with skincare, I'm going in with my Ordinary toner. I'm going in with my serum mix. If you'd like more information regarding my skincare routine, please make sure to check out my self-care Sunday video. I'll link that in the description bar. I also went in with my moisturizer for the day, which is the Pond's Dry Skin Cream. And just to prep my lips, I applied this clear lip gloss from LA Colors. Taking my Tatcha Silk Canvas Protective Primer, and I'm just applying this to the areas where I have a lot of pores, also taking it around my entire face. I'm going in with my Urban Decay Stay Naked foundation in the shade 81NN and my Pro Filtr Soft Matte Foundation from Fenty Beauty in the shade 480, and I'm just mixing those together. I went in with my Too Faced Born This Way Sculpting Concealer, and I'm in the shade Toffee, and I just applied this to the highest points of my face where I would usually highlight. While that concealer is drying a little bit, I went in with the Fit Me foundation in the shade 375 Java, as well as my matchstick from Fenty Beauty in the shade Expresso to contour my face and my nose. I went in to blend all of that out, including the highlights, with my beauty blender and my brush. Once that was all blended out, I went in with my Fit Me powder. This one's in the shade 365 Nutmeg, and I used a big brush just to set all of the areas where I highlighted. And then I went in with my Kat Von D Lock It Setting powder and applied that over the areas that I highlighted just to help bake the area and make sure it doesn't move. I also went in with my Fit Me powder in the shade 20 and also applied that over just to kind of help brighten the area a little more. I applied a little bit of bronzer to the areas that I contoured just to bring some color back to my face. I also went in with that same Lock It powder and used that to reverse contour. For my blush today, I went in with my Juvia's Place Saharan blush palette, and I took the pink shade there and I just applied that to the highest points of my cheeks, and I kind of went overboard with this just because we're going for a more vintage look and I felt like that was appropriate. I went in to blend away all of that excess setting powder using my foundation brush as well as my powder brush. I also made sure to bring down that powder to my neck as well. For my highlighter today, I'm taking my Glow Kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Sun Dip. I wanted more of a diffused look, so I used my blush brush to apply that highlight. To clean up my eyebrows and also prep my eyelids for the eyeshadow look, I used the same concealer from earlier, the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Toffee. For my eyeshadow today, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills and Jackie Aina palette. I used the color Ginger and Credit. First of all, I'm taking Ginger and just applying that as my transition color today. I used that on a very fluffy brush and just worked it in. And I took a more defined brush and applied the shade Credit into my crease. I went back in with the shade Ginger just to kind of blend out all of those harsh lines. Going into my Morphe 35 OM palette, I took that beige shade there and applied that to my mobile lid. I applied this really generously until I got the amount of pigmentation I wanted. I went in again to blend all of the colors together, and I'm using my LA Colors liquid eyeliner to line my eyes. I went for a very defined wing. For mascara, I'm going in with this CoverGirl mascara and just brushing my hairs up. I did do this before applying my false eyelashes. My lower waterline, I went in again with the shade Ginger from the Jackie Aina and Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I'm going in with these Isabel Merchant lashes in the style Natural. They looked absolutely amazing. I also went in to apply a white liner into my waterline. I went down and sprayed my face using my setting spray from CoverGirl. I literally took a bath in this just because I wanted everything to be dewy and fresh. I went back in with that mascara and just applied some of that to my lower lashes just to make them more defined. I went in with this lip pencil from Colourpop in the shade Mamacita, and I just applied this to the corners of my lips to make them look fuller. And for my lipstick today, I'm going in with this Stunner lip paint in the shade Uncensored from Fenty Beauty, and I just applied this really generously on my lips. I wanted a very vibrant red color, and this was definitely it. Kind of top up my highlight, I'm going in with Candid Glow in the shade Porkish from Yanga Beauty, and I'm just applying this to the areas of my face that I applied that highlighter. So here's the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and also follow me on Instagram and Snapchat if you're not already doing so. And I will see you all in my next video, God willing. Stay blessed. Bye bye.